Now I'm confused. Can't even tell which to go for. Maybe I should just have all of them.
Yes, we have packages like
They all.
that.
I love this. I love this. I
Okay.
love this.
Thank
I'm in
you.
love with this. I love this.
Really
This. This is it.
amazing. Hi, my name is Chama Jane. I am an epidemiologist, a cosmetic formulator, a perfumer, and a chandler. Here we make everything beauty products, from ranging from skincare to fragrances. All right, so we actually prioritize safety. Yes, of course, your products can actually smell good, feel good, look good, give you that level of confidence. But we prioritize ensuring that in all of that your products are safe, and that actually guides ingredients selection from the research immediately from conception of a particular, or we spot a problem. Okay, this is a problem that that products can actually solve. We go ahead to carry out lots of research. We anyway, most times even when we don't carry out survey, we actually use already existing data to know what works, to actually be able to guide our product formulation, development, research, and every other thing that can guide the product to actually deliver what it should deliver and still be safe. And of course, what is beauty without safety? Here with our brand, we prioritize safety, we prioritize performance, we prioritize everything in between, as long as when we carry out our testing, our products remain stable, our products remain the best, and gives you all that you. Of course, that is that is what gives me joy. That is one of the things that when I find out that, oh yes, our products are doing this, and I have that satisfaction of for a public health expert.
Golden Freesia. Refreshing Freesia, African orange flower, plum. Chasing vanilla. Soothing fresh berries, sunny petals, musk. Banana musk delight. Burst of musk, banana, pineapple. Our collections are tailored to improve your productivity and keep you alluring at all times.
So chasing vanilla is actually for cozy souls, right? Actually, when I made chasing vanilla, before I could put the fragrance composition in place, I actually wanted a fragrance that will come out really, really like a warm hug, vanilla, sun kissed, like a place when you wear it, you just feel this, this quiet and soft confidence, and still, have to have a fragrance, exude that prowess of yours, and then still soft. Yeah, that was actually what I had in mind at the time I wanted to create Chasing Vanilla, and voila, when it came out, I tested on a lot of people. I mean, I didn't have a record of not even a single soul said they did actually like Chasing Vanilla. Yeah, it's actually going to be one of my best sellers, and I since it came on shelf, I've sold a few boxes. Chasing Vanilla is a fragrance for you, girl. Do you prefer your woman to smell like which of them?
This banana something.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Golden Frisia is elegant, it is radiant. Think of sunlight. Boom, having sunlight in a bottle is actually for women who actually walk into a space and own the entire room softly without making so much noise. In fact, this very variant was inspired by growth, grace, women who are just out there, doing their thing, and still soft, Golden Frisia is that fragrance for you. Think of Frisia, think of golden fruits, think of sweetness, think of, boss chick. Hmm. That's Golden Frisia for you. Our 10 ml bottle comes in the sleek black case bottle, right? And then the slim one ones over there are the 5 ml bottles that come in the discovery pack of five, where you can get to experience all the fragrances in stock. Okay, and then the bigger bottle is the 13 ml, where you can get to experience one after the other.
It has this unique.
Uniqueness.
Yeah, I can't place it, but it's
Coconut cream is a gourmand fantasy. It is delicious, it is decadent, it is dreamy. Think of vanilla, coconut, think of um ice cream. You just gotta love it, and it's as well grown up. All right, yes, it's not just on the subsistence side. It's grown up, and yeah, it's so sweet. And when it comes to the base, you're getting amber, musk, roses. These notes, these grown up notes, meeting with those gourmand notes is actually a very, very well formulated fragrance that you're gonna love. Try it
I
today.
will pick
That you
one.
will choose
No,
one.
no, I love it.
Let's talk about banana must delight. See, I'm putting on my hat. Banana must delight makes you feel like you're on the beach. Telling you the truth, because it's think of pineapple, think of banana, think of coconuts. It is quite flirty. It is confident in a bottle. It smells like sunshine. Like ooh, it's something every woman would actually love to have in her gadgets. I promise you, because coconut banana must delight. Mm, it's so flirty, and I recommend it every day. It's so flirty. You don't want to get pregnant? Don't worry. But if you do, you don't mind. Go for it. But let me give you a tip. Mm, layer it with chasing vanilla. Don't call my name.
In whatever you
The
call
golden
it.
figure.
Yeah, and the chasing.
Chasing
I think I'm
vanilla.
picking two. I
Okay,
can't
so
even
you
pick
have a
one.
choice.
Start your day with a rejuvenating body mist and long-lasting perfume oil.